Meaning of ineptitude.
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 Ineptitude. The word ineptitude refers to a lack of skill or ability, often resulting in incompetence or clumsiness. Someone who is inept may struggle to perform certain tasks or make mistakes frequently, often leading to negative consequences. This can be particularly problematic in professional settings, where ineptitude can lead to poor job performance and even job loss. In social settings, ineptitude may make it difficult for someone to form meaningful relationships or communicate effectively with others. Overall, ineptitude can have far-reaching consequences and may require additional training or support to overcome.